how to form simple sentences in Vietnamese. First of all, affirmative. A simple sentence in Vietnamese is not very different from a simple statement in English. It follows the same logical word order of subject, verb, and object. The only difference is that we don't have to either conjugate the verbs or using plural forms. For example, we say, I have a cup of coffee every morning. Mình uống một ly cà phê vào mỗi buổi sáng. Whereas he has a cup of tea every morning. Trong khi anh ấy thì uống một ly trà vào mỗi buổi sáng. As we can see, the verb uống, which means to drink or to have, remains unchanged regardless of the subject, the tense, or the modality. Next, negative. Negation in Vietnamese is formed by using the negative particle không, which means no or not. This precedes the verb being negated. Pay attention though, when the main verb is là, then không is used in combination with phải. For example, with the regular verb, we're going to negate one of the examples above. He doesn't have a cup of coffee every morning. He has tea. Anh ấy không uống cà phê vào mỗi buổi sáng. Anh ấy uống trà. Now, an example with the verb là, to be. It's not Saturday today, it's Sunday. Hôm nay không phải là thứ Bảy, hôm nay là Chủ nhật. When we know how to form simple sentences, the next thing that will benefit us is knowing how to form simple tag questions, which is shown over here.